Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video, I will be showing you how to use Telegram without phone number. So let's get started. If you wish to log in or sign up on Telegram without using your phone number, I'll guide you through the process. First, open your Telegram app. Click on Start Messaging. If you encounter an interface requiring a phone number, go back. Open any internet browser on your phone. In the browser, search for free numbers for verification. Select a reliable website that provides free SMS online, like Receive Free SMS Online. Scroll down to find a list of temporary phone numbers. Copy one of the provided phone numbers. Paste a copied phone number into the Telegram app when prompted. Wait for a verification code to appear on the website. Copy the verification code from the website. Then, paste the verification code into the Telegram app. Your account will be successfully created on Telegram without using your phone number. So that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Telegram without providing a phone number. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.